Export TT Limited is the National Export Facilitation Organization of Trinidad and Tobago, charged with creating internationally competitive firms in the manufacturing and services sectors to grow and diversify trade and generate wealth through export-led growth. According to ITC Trade Map data, 30% of manufactured goods exported from Trinidad and Tobago consists of food and beverage products.
Export TT has been highly beneficial to us since we first contacted them. We were able to learn about FSMA and GMP, about safe food on the whole, and the procedures by which we can sustain and upkeep our industry, our business, and ensure its longevity in the future. In that aspect, off the bat, I would recommend Export TT services to anyone, to the small and to the large manufacturers wishing and willing to export.
Hi, I'm from Habanero Pepper Sauce Company Limited. Our company is a manufacturer and wholesaler of pepper sauce. What Export TT has done for us is they have aided us financially by offering us a lot of training, and this training has put us in a whole new position. And the company, since we've aligned ourselves with Export TT, has grown significantly with regards to our development and the way we administer our operations. Coming to all the training and all the seminars, they aligned us with the proper people in the proper area. You weren't just meeting people, you were meeting the right people. I met with a lot of other entrepreneurs who were very successful, and they came by and they offered advice, they gave me their cards, and I now have a good relationship with them. So I was able to find good mentors and good people to give me good advice.
Of the 23 companies who started with us in the Cottage Food and Beverage program, we're pleased to note that we have been able to develop 2 brand new exporters who have been successful in the United States markets, and we also have an additional 2 companies in the process of shipping to the USA, and those shipments are expected by the end of 2014.